Welcome to your morning meditation. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position with your spine tall and straight and your palms resting gently in your lap, facing upwards. When you're ready, close your eyes. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Focus on your breath. Simply observe how it feels. Notice the sensations, perhaps a coolness at the tip of your nose on the inhale and warmth on the exhale. Now, let's deepen our breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your stomach and rib cage to fully expand. Hold your breath for a moment at the top. When you're ready, exhale powerfully through your mouth. Feel the release. Repeat this deep breath 2 more times. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale strongly. With each breath, feel more alive and present. As you return to your natural breathing rhythm, take a moment to appreciate the energy and vitality flowing through you. Notice the sweetness of the air and the life force it provides. Feel your energy and enthusiasm growing. Let's now embrace some positive affirmations. You can say them out loud or silently, but truly feel each affirmation as your truth. Affirmations. I am enough. I am worthy just as I am. I am lovable and a good person. I trust that everything is working out for me. I am exactly where I need to be. Everything is happening for my highest good. I let go of needing to understand or control outcomes. I trust that everything is unfolding perfectly. I am proud of who I am and excited for who I am becoming. Feel these affirmations resonate within every cell of your being. Allow yourself to feel good for no reason other than being you. Embrace feelings of happiness and calm. Recognize your worthiness of love and affirm this deep within yourself. Affirmations continued. I love my life, and it loves me back. Happiness surrounds and fuels me. I feel alive, free, and content with who I am. I trust myself completely and honor my intuition. This life is a gift, and I am grateful for every moment. Carry these feelings with you as you prepare to start your day. Appreciate everything around you and the lessons you've learned. Acknowledge your blessing and the beautiful journey you are on. As you prepare to open your eyes, remember that you are empowered and ready to embrace the day. Take one final deep breath, fully expanding your stomach and ribcage. Hold your breath at the top and then exhale with a sigh of relief. Tune into how good your body feels and carry this positive energy with you throughout your day. Slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and ready to make the most of your beautiful day. Thank you for joining this morning meditation. Have a wonderful day ahead.